If you are struggling to manage multiple social media accounts in 2026 and wasting hours posting content manually every single day, this tool could seriously save you a huge amount of time. Today, I'm showing you how to use SocialPilot, one of the most popular social media management platforms right now. And honestly, this tool is built for people who want to scale content faster without getting overwhelmed. SocialPilot is basically an all-in-one dashboard where you can schedule posts, manage social media accounts, track analytics, and automate content across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, Pinterest, YouTube, Threads, and more. When you first open SocialPilot, the setup is pretty simple. You create an account, connect your social media profiles, and then everything appears inside one dashboard instead of jumping between different apps all day. One of the biggest features people use is the scheduling system. You can create posts in advance and schedule them automatically for specific dates and times. This is especially useful for creators, agencies, and businesses posting daily because it keeps content consistent even when you are busy. Another feature users really like is bulk scheduling. Instead of uploading posts one by one, you can upload many posts at once using CSV files, which saves a massive amount of time for larger content calendars. SocialPilot also includes an AI assistant that helps generate captions, hashtags, and content ideas when you run out of inspiration. For teams and agencies, there are collaboration tools where clients can approve posts before publishing, and there are white label reports that make analytics look more professional for clients. Another useful feature is RSS automation, where blog posts or website updates can automatically become social media posts without manual work. Based on reviews online, many users say SocialPilot is easier to use and cheaper than larger social media tools like Hootsuite, while still offering enough features for most businesses and creators. A lot of users also praise the clean dashboard, multi-platform support, and automation tools because they save hours every week. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are definitely some downsides too. Some users online complain about occasional publishing bugs or delays, especially on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, because social media APIs constantly change. Others feel the interface can become a little cluttered when managing many accounts at once, and some reviews mention frustration with billing or customer support response times. So, while the platform is powerful, it is not perfect. My honest opinion is that SocialPilot is one of the best social media management tools in 2026 for creators, agencies, and businesses that need scheduling, automation, analytics, and team collaboration in one place without paying enterprise-level prices. It is probably overkill for casual users who only post occasionally, but for serious content creators and businesses, it can save an incredible amount of time once you learn how to use it properly. I would definitely recommend testing the free trial first to see if the workflow fits your style before paying for a long subscription. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more honest AI and social media tool breakdowns in 2026, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next tool you want me to review.